and welcome to the Woodlands College Park High School Virtual Open House. Welcome parents and students. My name is Mrs. Pepper, and I just want to take this opportunity to share with you a little bit about myself and a little bit about our course this year. Just like everything else, we're growing and learning and doing things new, but so far so good. I'm really happy about all the hard work and success that our students and you, parents, have put forth already this year. So thank you very much. Let's get started. So a little bit about myself. I graduated from Texas A&M with a BS in Forest Science. I've worked, before I was a teacher, I worked for International Paper, and I did everything from helping to grow the trees, manage water quality and wildlife, and also help utilize those trees. And it led me to have a lot of experiences in my life that I'm very glad to have had. I also met my husband there, and I really enjoyed my time working with International Paper. Then we moved to Tennessee, and I had the opportunity to work for the Tennessee Department of Agriculture doing urban forestry, so helping change and improve and the urban landscape and forestry in Memphis and the surrounding areas. So I've had a wide variety of forestry experience, but with all that, education and training has been part of that work. Then I stayed at home for a little while and raised my daughters, and then I decided to go back and get my teaching certification. And I've been teaching. My first year of teaching was actually at College Park, and we moved around a little bit, and I'm happy to be back at College Park again. So far, I've taught biology, chemistry, physics, and earth science, and I've loved all of those. And I love making connections between the real world and my experiences and the science that I'm teaching and the science that our students get to experience every day. So I love to encourage the wonder of it all, and then the scientific happenings behind it. I like to keep the wonder alive. Okay, so our class does look a little different so far this year, but whether you're at home or at school later, the same things apply. We need to be ready for class, and basically that involves a notebook or binder, something or folder to keep handouts in or anything that you print at home, and then somewhere to put your notes. That can be a spiral, a composition notebook, paper, as long as you can find it later. And I'm providing two outlines for note taking. So I like to expose the students to a variety of different note taking styles because we all think and are organized in different ways. Just like any other class, you need to have a writing utensil or two handy. Any other colored pencils, colored markers, highlighters, that's up to you, whatever you need in order to be successful. And then when you come into class or when you log on to Canvas, just be ready to learn and be ready to be engaged. So as you guys have already experienced very well, Canvas is our main learning platform right now. And I feel like we have all grown through this process, and I learn new things every day. But please just know that it's a growing, changing process, like I just said, but you guys are doing great, and I'm super proud of you. Parent Access is the place where you need to go to sign your safety contract. There'll be another reminder later if you haven't done that. But that's going to be the main way that we communicate with you as parents. And then also on Canvas are the College Park policies and guidelines. Okay. So College Park has a 5-point grading system, so it's a little bit different, and it takes a little while to get used to. And it's outlined in the syllabus how that works. But our grades, whether on a 5-point scale or not, but it is a 5-point scale, consist of daily grades, which include labs and quizzes, and then we have the major grades, which are the tests or exams or an occasional project. All the grades will be out of 5 points. Okay, so communication, again, you guys have done great with this so far because of the way we started this year. Email is the best way to get in touch with me. I do respond as quickly as possible, and usually it's within 24 hours or less. And if I don't, please just send me an email again, and I will respond to you as quickly as possible. So you can email me through any venue you have, but you can also email me through Canvas. And then again, parent access, phone calls if you need to call the school. The main number is 936-709-3000, and they can reach me. If I'm available to take the call, I will. And then tutoring. Right now we're all online, so I'm trying to be as available as possible. But during school, once class gets started again, I do have 7th period available for email responses. And then Wednesdays after school, is my scheduled tutoring time between 2:45 and 3:15. And then I'm usually here every day until 3:30 anyway. So after school tutoring is usually an option. Just call or email before you come so I know to expect you. Okay, so a couple of things, to-do list, if you will. Our safety contract, if you haven't gone into parent access, please do, and please sign that. It should be a big red alert that says please sign the safety contract. And the safety rules and guidelines are also on my Canvas page if you'd like to go there and check them out. Important dates which are also on the calendar or soon will be. We have a biomolecules quiz, which we start biomolecules. We started this week. And our first quiz and test are the 26th and 28th. And then we'll take a little time that week, the week of September 8th, to get to know our students and to have some in-class learning if applicable. And then our cell structure and cell quiz and test are the 9th, 14th, and 16th of September. So thank you very much for your time this evening. I'm hoping that there will be a point where I can get to meet you in person, but already I can tell this is a great group of students, and I'm so excited for the opportunities that this year will have and bring. So again, please contact me via email. That is the best way if you have any questions or concerns. And thank you for your participation, involvement, patience, and flexibility as we grow and change this year. Thank you again for coming or viewing, and have a nice evening.